This is Elon Musk's former house, worth $29 million, located in the prestigious Bel Air, California. Not only did he own this luxurious estate, but he also acquired 5 neighboring properties, collectively worth over $100 million. Why? To ensure unparalleled privacy. However, in May 2020, Musk made a surprising announcement, tweeting that he was selling all physical possessions and vowing to own no house. Since then, he has sold all these properties, netting a $20 million profit, and relocated to Texas, where he reportedly now lives in a $50,000 prefab home. But before this dramatic lifestyle change, this Bel Air mansion was Elon Musk's main residence, where he and his family spent many wonderful years. This 20,000-square-foot mansion boasts 7 spacious bedrooms, 13 luxurious bathrooms, a chic wine cellar, and a state-of-the-art gym. The exterior of the house is equally impressive, featuring a large tennis court, a sparkling swimming pool, and breathtaking views of the prestigious Bel Air Country Club. The grand architecture and lush landscaping of the estate make it a true masterpiece, perfect for both relaxation and entertainment. So with such exceptional features and rich history, how would you rate this house?